everybody. I'm going to be heading out for my weekly grocery shopping trip. We are 6 days out from Thanksgiving, and usually the week before Thanksgiving or the week of Thanksgiving, there are some really good deals in the store ads, and so I'm going to take advantage of those, of course. I am not cooking a ton for Thanksgiving. We're just going to kind of have a quiet time at home, and I'm not gonna try to put a lot of effort into a huge meal. We're just gonna really keep it simple this year. I am gonna make bacon wrapped teriyaki dates like I do every year. I already have all the stuff for that because I kind of been collecting it because I knew it was coming. And then I'm also gonna make our apple cranberry stuffing recipe, which of course some people will be very upset because it is not stuffed inside of a bird, it is on the side. So they would call it dressing, but we call it stuffing. Sorry. So anyways, I'm going to be making that. And so I do have a couple things for that on my list. I need to get some either bulk breakfast sausage or just bulk ground pork so I can make it into sausage, like a sage sausage in there because it's apple cranberry sausage stuffing. It's so good. So I'm going to get that. I also need to get the dried cranberries for that. You can use dried or fresh. So I'll kind of see what they have and what looks good. And then of course, all of the stuff that's on sale in the ad. Going to be picking up our milk. I'm going to go to Fred Meyer for sure. They had the most deals that I was interested in from their ad. So I'm going to go there first. I may stop by Safeway also and pick up the few things that they had on sale, but I may not. I'm still debating on that. So that's all. Fred Meyer, pick up milk, maybe Safeway, and then the kids had a book on hold at the library, so we'll probably have to stop by the library as well. Before we go load up in the car, I want to say thank you to Element, who is sponsoring the video today. Element is the electrolyte drink that I use every single day, and I love how many different flavors they have and different options for getting your electrolytes in. This is the chocolate caramel flavor, and it is now available year-round. It used to be just a seasonal flavor, but it got so popular that they have it available year-round now, which I absolutely love. The chocolate flavors are great hot. I love to put them in tea and in hot chocolate, and a lot of people love them in coffee as well. Then also this time of year, they have their chocolate medley pack available. It has chocolate mint, chocolate raspberry, and chocolate chai. So all the chocolate flavors you could dream of, and it is available for a limited time right now. Element does have a special deal for all of my viewers. If you want to get a free sample pack that contains 8 of their regular flavors, you can use my link, drinkelement.com/indigo, drinklmnt.com/indigo. Click that link and place an order for anything on the website, and you will automatically get the free sample pack added. Thanks again to Element for sponsoring today's video, and thank you for supporting the companies that support my channel. Acquiring our book. Oh, it's right here. Gotta get the brand new Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Oh, now we're just doing stairs.
Oh, white fox.
Oh, that's cute. Arctic fox.
Nope, definitely not that one. I like these type of brands.
The brand of books?
Like these brands.
Oh, okay. That's a good brand. All right, we're going into Fred Meyer now. And I got 2 helpers today, Renee and Levi. Well, it's not the season for watermelon for sure. Only what's on sale. Let's see what's on sale. Renee found her favorite Christmas tree. Oh, it's a cup. It's like a Christmas tree. Is it also a cupcake?
It's like a cupcake.
It's like a cupcake Christmas tree. That's cute. Oh, I like this one. It's a little gingerbread house.
Wait. Its name is Jordan.
Pineapples are only $1.49 each with a coupon. Maybe we'll grab some of those for like a fruit salad or something on Thanksgiving. That's so cheap, and they're enormous too. Yeah, oranges are on sale this week. I know you wanted them last week, but they weren't very good. But these ones look better. So maybe we'll get 2 if we can find another one that looks good. Does that one look... No, that one has some dark spots on it. Let's do this one. This one looks better. I see think it's this 8-pound of big potatoes that's on sale. We can do that for mashed potatoes. Weekly bananas. We still have a few at home, so all we need is green ones this time.
Yeah, because
There's a few left.
Ooh, this is good.
Have you been eating 3 a day recently? No, those ones, I got enough.
Yeah.
You still been eating 3 a day? Those ones are enormous. Always got to check the reduced cheese. This, I don't know why they have to cover up the name of it, but it's everything bagel goat cheese. That sounds so good. I think I'm gonna get one because it's so cheap. I just need to figure out what to have it with. It'd be good with like crackers. Well, these are kind of, that's a pretty good deal, but I don't know if I would eat it. Swiss is reduced. Don't think I need Swiss.
Yeti.
Did you see Santa's butt sticking out of the fireplace? That's silly. Oh, and then there's a Yeti over here. They got all the Christmas decorations out. Can you believe it's almost Christmas already?
No.
I can't either. Still collecting up stuff for holiday truffles, and these I can get 5 of for $2.99, so we're gonna do that. No, we're not getting marshmallows. We don't need marshmallows for Thanksgiving. Some people think you do need marshmallows for Thanksgiving, but I'm not one of those people. Oh, but you are. We can also get 5 of the shredded cheese for $4.99, so we are going to do that. Let's do Mexican, cheddar jack, maybe 1 mozzarella. The other deal we can get is 5 butters for $2.99 each. All right, yeah, get 3 more and that'll be good. And that makes 5. Now we need to find some herbs. No. I think we're real close. I have this coupon for $10 off $130. And so I wanted to try to get up to that because I was close enough. So grab some cottage cheese. I need some broth just for emergencies because usually I make my own. But if I need some in a pinch, it's nice to have some on the shelf. So they only had 2 of the regular, and so I got 2 regular and 2 low sodium. And I think I'm really close to the 130 mark. Made it out of Fred Meyer. I think whoa. Made it out of Fred Meyer, and I think I am going to skip Safeway. There just wasn't much that we needed, and this was a big Fred Meyer haul. Got out of here for about $130. I'll show you all of that when I get home. So we're just gonna go pick up milk, and that'll be it. Returning our empties before we get our full jars. You wanna open the door for me? Well, let me do it.
Okay.
We sure want one of these to break.
I only get 6 a day.
6 a week.
6 a week.
Yeah. We couldn't drink 6 a day. That'd be too much.
If we drink 6 a day, it's like 1 for each day.
Almost.
Yeah.
Almost, because there's 7 days in a week.
So we took them all.
There we go.
They don't have any now.
Sure, those are all on tight.
Mom, when we get the milk again, they might not have any more milk.
Well, they will, because they milk the cow every day. Here is my weekly haul. Of course, I have our milk over here, 3 gallons. At Fred Meyer, I got 5 pounds of butter because they were on sale for $2.99 each. You could use the coupon 5 times. So grabbed that. I got 2 pounds of ground pork. That will be for the dressing, the sausage, apple, cranberry dressing for Thanksgiving. Renee needed some more tea. She loves this yogi tea to have in the evening. She says that she loves how it makes her feel and it tastes so good. I got a big thing of cottage cheese. I got some herbs also for the dressing, rosemary, thyme, and sage. Also parsley for the dressing. I got some green bananas, 3 lemons. I did go ahead and pick up the everything but the bagel goat cheese. I thought that just looked so good. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to how to eat that. I got some big baker potatoes. I thought maybe for Thanksgiving we could do baked potatoes instead of mashed potatoes. That might be fun. So we could do that. I got some celery for the dressing. I got 3 bags of the cutie oranges. This one has already been pilfered. I got 2 bags of cranberries. I looked at the dried cranberries, but there wasn't a very good option. They all had like sunflower oil in them. So I was like, we'll just do fresh. So I got 2 bags, one probably for the dressing and one for cranberry sauce. I have a recipe for honey sweetened cranberry sauce in the Instant Pot, and I will put that up in the cards if you're interested. You can totally make it with allulose instead of honey if you want to keep it keto as well. That works really great. I got some Brussels sprouts. Not everybody in the family likes these. Just me and a couple of the kids, I think. And so I just got a few that I will cook up. I may cook them up before Thanksgiving. I'm not sure if I'll keep them for that or just eat them up. I got 1 bag of organic Gala apples, not Fuji. I got 2 pineapples. They were $1.49 each on sale. So I figured that would be a treat for probably Thanksgiving. The Kettle and Fire broth was on sale for buy one, get one free. Regular price $5.99, which is so expensive for broth. But when you had buy one, get one free, it made it $3 a piece. So I went ahead and did it just to have these in the pantry as emergency broth if I don't have any homemade broth available. Just makes life easy. I got 5 of the semi-sweet chocolate chips. They were on sale for $2.99. Again, you could use the coupon 5 times. And I am beginning to collect up ingredients to make our yearly Christmas truffles. If you guys have watched us for a while, you know that that's one of our fun family traditions. We do all different flavors of truffles and we give them out for Christmas. And so just trying to pick up things for as cheaply as possible before I just have to go out and buy whatever I need at whatever the price happens to be when it's time to start making them. So got 5 of those. Also could use the coupon 5 times on the cheese, $4.99 for a 2-pound bag of shredded cheese. So I got 1 of the mozzarella, 2 of the Mexican blend, and 2 of the cheddar jack. I will probably put 2 or 3 of these into the freezer. They freeze really well, and so they'll just be stocked up for whenever we need them. And I think that is everything. So the total that I spent, you can see I got my $10 off of it was like $130 purchase. So it wasn't a huge percentage off, but hey, it's something. And the total I spent after that was $131.05. I'll do a quick scan here of the receipt so you can see any of the prices if you're interested in that. Thanks so much for going shopping with us today. If I don't talk to you again before Thanksgiving, have a wonderful Thanksgiving if you celebrate. And of course, if you're in the US, I know a lot of you guys aren't. If you're not celebrating Thanksgiving, I just hope you have a wonderful Thursday this week.